Okay, I just wanted to demonstrate why, once again, master lock is completely unreliable for security. Here is the level 10 puck-like master lock. 5-pin, few spools, I think one serrated in there. I'll demonstrate here. Just set up. Here is the working key. As you can see, 5-pin. Nothing special. Insert works well. Okay, now I was going through some other locks today and I accidentally grabbed the wrong key for this master basic number 3. Now, let me show you here. This is the master number 3 key. 4-pin M1 key. Nothing extraordinary on the bitting. Now, I inserted it into this level 10 security master 5-pin puck lock. And watch this. Unbelievable. It opened up. With the master 3 key. Demonstrate it again for you guys. Bye. So yeah, just another demonstration on why you should stay away from master locks as far as security is concerned. Alright, thank you.